guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claire, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken wing with a spicy honey barbecue sauce. So let's cook. Alright guys, so I have 8 chicken wings here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by putting some salt and pepper into my flour. I'm going to give that a mix. And here I have 1/3 cup of hot sauce. I'm using Frank's hot sauce, but you can use whatever hot sauce you like. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have a half teaspoon of Slap Your Mama. I have a teaspoon of onion powder. I have a half teaspoon of seasoned salt. And I have a teaspoon of Sazon Complete. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that chicken a mix. And if you want to marinate this overnight, you can do that as well. I'm just going to go ahead and put my seasonings on now and just dredge it in my flour.
Now, if you're wondering why I only put salt and pepper inside of my flour, it's because I added a lot of seasoning onto my chicken, and I felt like if I added extra seasoning into my flour, it would just be too much.
I'm going to go ahead and dredge my chicken in my flour, like so. And I'm going to give that a mix in my flour. All right, that looks good. Now I'm going to take it over to my oil and fry these chicken wings up. All right, guys, I'm going to put my chopstick in. And when you see those bubbles coming up like that off of the chopstick, you know your oil is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken wings in. And I'm going to do one batch because it's just 8 chicken wings. And this should be enough to cook the 8 without overcrowding my pan. But if you have a lot of chicken wings, you really don't want to overcrowd your pan, because you won't get that crispy skin. So we're going to fry that up for about 15 minutes or until it's golden brown. As you can see, the chicken wings are browning up nicely, but we still got a little ways to go, so I'm going to let it continue to cook. Alright guys, so our chicken is done, and I'm going to go ahead and take them off the fire and put them off to the side to drain. Alright guys, while our chicken is draining, we're going to go ahead and make the sauce for the chicken. And what I have here is 1/3 cup of Frank's hot sauce and 4 tablespoons of honey. And I'm going to give this a mix. Now you can make this sauce as spicy as you want or as sweet as or as sweet as you want by just adding more hot sauce or more honey. Now to this, I've cut up 1 jalapeno pepper, and you want to mix that in. And I've taken the seeds out so it won't be as spicy. I'm going to go ahead and add our chicken in. And I'm going to give that a mix. Now that these are mixed up, I'm going to plate these up and show you guys the final product.
So this is the final product, guys. This is how you make my spicy honey barbecue sauce chicken wings.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything special you want me to cook, leave me a comment down in the comment section. Until next time, bye.